Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create Doc Mcstuffins and Dress to Impress. So, removing everything except for the hair. So for the hair, I did this in this color and I toggled it to no bangs. Then I did this, toggle it to only bangs and adjusted it like this, Y 0.53, Z 0.48 and scaled it to 0.42 and colored that color. That same brown color. And then for the doctor's coat, I'm going to use this top one in the second toggle. Then I'm going to use these for the stockings in this pattern in no feet. Then I use this skirt in pink and in leather. I use this pink, okay. And then I use these shorts in this pink as well in leather. Then I use this top. And then I use the striped pattern. I really wanted it to be a shirt, but this coat is really weird. Select these shoes and color it pink. This pink. And then white, and then that pink again, and then in white. And then for like the patient, I guess, you can use this doll here and you can color it whatever color you want. Toggle it to the dolly one. I think I'm just going to have it kind of similar to Doc Mcstuffins colors here. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel. Ooh, I forgot one thing. Sorry. I forgot the headband. How can I forget? Use this headband in this purple color 714793 in glitter, and then this in pink. There we go. That is Doc Mcstuffins. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, if you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.